So 3 days ago, I had this one friend of mine from college, and he put up this story on his Instagram called work from home, this new business I am working on. If you want to be a part of it, DM me. Okay. And this was really interesting to me. I just messaged him saying, okay, what business are you working on? What is the business venture? And he said, I cannot tell you what it is. You have to come to this webinar where they'll be explaining you everything about it. And that's what caught my suspicion. And I attended that webinar, and I almost got into this trap. Okay, and I want to talk about what this means, what this business is about, and why you should be aware of these things. All right, let's get into this video.
लॉकडाउन में मई महीने में पूरा पीक पे था, उस टाइम मेरा चेक आया था 1 मंथ का 1,23,000 का। उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट मंथ था उसमें मेरा चेक आया 2,15,000 का। उसके बाद जो मेरा नेक्स्ट मंथ था जुलाई में मेरा चेक था 2,54,000। और आज जो मेरी इनकम है इन 2 सालों के अंदर जो एवरेज 2 से लेके 2.5 लाख के बीच में रहती है। तो आप सभी बंदे भी इस इनकम को एंजॉय कर सकते हो, बट उसके लिए आपको तीसरा आज हम चाहते हैं कोई अच्छा काम हो, घर पे बैठे बिठाए, न्यू वे ऑफ वर्किंग। आज आप सभी बंदों को ये जाएगा, आज ये भी एक नीड बन चुकी है। उसके बाद सक्सेस प्लेटफॉर्म मैटर करता है सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए, मेहनत मैटर नहीं करती। क्योंकि अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हो किसी ऐसी जगह पे जहां पे डेवलपमेंट ही नहीं है, तो वहां पे सक्सेस कैसे मिल जाएगी? 5 फैक्टर्स जो इस बिजनेस में आपको मिलेंगे, उस बिजनेस का नाम मैं आपको बताता हूं। उस बिजनेस का नाम है नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग। क्योंकि हमको हमारे माँ बाप ने, हमारी सोसाइटी ने, जो भी हम वहां इधर उधर गए, हमको सिर्फ एक चीज सिखाई गई थी कि बच्चे अच्छा पढ़ लिख लेना, अच्छी परसेंटेज आ जाएगी, अच्छी जॉब लग जाएगी, अच्छी लाइफ सिक्योरिटी हो जाएगी। बट क्या आज के टाइम पे वो पॉसिबल हो पा रहा है? आप एक बार
Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm Ishan Sharma. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like this video. And in today's video, I want to talk about this new business that everyone talks about. Okay, so I took this webinar that my friend suggested me to take, and it was about this person who was talking about this new business venture, how he used to have a job, 9 to 5 job in 2018, and then he left it in 2018 December, and after that he started this new business, and since then he's just been making like 1.5 lakh rupees every single month. And he bought his new car, and just talking about this luxurious lifestyle that he's living right now. And he just talked about this completely in his webinar, and then he talked about how I can also achieve this. Okay, and the way to achieve this was through something called as network marketing. Okay, network marketing, also called as multi-level marketing. This is a concept in which you become a part of the organization, and then you will have to recruit 2 or more people. Okay, you have to recruit some people under you. Okay, and they will buy this product, and when they buy this product, you get a commission. Okay, and then those 2 people will have to recruit even more people. Okay, so this is the basic concept of multi-level marketing, and this is nothing new. There are a lot of companies that are doing this, and this is not sustainable. Okay, and I will tell you why that is. First of all, this is also called as a pyramid scheme, in which you have one person in the top, they recruit 2 people, and then those 2 people recruit even more people, and that's how this becomes like a pyramid. Okay, and at the end, in the very lower tier of the pyramid, there's a lot of people. Okay, and if you will try to do some mathematics, you will realize that at one point you just won't have enough people to make them join this new business idea. Okay, there won't be enough people left to join this business idea, as a result of which this business will collapse after one point. Okay, and that's what the basic problem is with this business. First of all, they will urge you to buy these expensive products. In this case of this webinar, it was about buying aloe vera drinks or something, and honeybee products. Okay, I won't be taking the name of this multi-level marketing business, but basically they sell these products at a very high rate, higher than what it has been sold on normal clinics and in the market. Okay, that's what they do, and so this is really not good. I see a lot of people just making these Instagram pages talking about how to get rich quick and make a lot of money and become this entrepreneur. Okay, all of these Instagram profiles have this word called entrepreneur life or something, and it's become this fancy thing that all of us want to pursue. But in reality, this won't last. Okay, especially these things like multi-level marketing, these things don't last. The only people that actually make money on doing things like network marketing and multi-level marketing, these are the people that are at the very top of the pyramid. Okay, the people that are at the very low of the pyramid, they won't be making as much money as they were promised. Okay, they do a lot of misguiding, they mislead a lot of people, and that is what the main problem is. Okay, so they give you these dreams that you can fulfill if you will join this business. Okay, that's what is happening in these multi-level marketing and these sort of businesses. What I would really encourage all of you is to understand that this is fake and this is not what you should be doing. Try to come up with a good business idea that's actually scalable, that's actually worth it. I have made a video talking about what business ideas you should be trying out during this lockdown period. You can take a look at it somewhere over here. But don't fall for network marketing. Okay, I can tell you from my own personal experience, my parents used to be a part of this network marketing company called RMP, I guess. And there's also other ones like Oriflame and the like. Okay, and at the end they just lost a bunch of money, and a lot of the relationships, they were destroyed completely. Okay, because again, who will we sell these products to? We will be selling these products to our own relationships first of all. Okay, so maybe you have your own aunt, maybe you have your own uncle, so you'll be selling these things to them, and once they will realize that there's not enough money in this business, they will start to feel that you have cheated on them. Okay, this is not what you should be doing. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video to make this point really clear. I didn't sign up for this event, my friend did, and I wish all the best to him. But other than that, I just wanted to understand, I see all of these ads on Instagram where it's like they'll show you these big Lambos and people with a lot of money. Just understand this one point, that passive income and the idea of generating money when you are sitting on a beach and just chilling is just not as practical as you think it is. Okay, like even I right now, I'm just sitting right now, my videos have been watched by people and I am getting paid for that. But how much is that? I get paid around $4 every single day. Okay, that's below poverty line, I would say. Okay, that's what you get paid. I do get at times people buy my books. Okay, from that I also get some commission, but that's not like what you were thinking it would be. Okay, so that's what I would want all of you to understand. This idea of passive income is completely misleading. What it really means is to create these cash flows that would later on generate income for you. Okay, that could be through equity in some company, that could be through having these things like affiliate marketing, which I do quite oftenly. Okay, so that's what I would talk about. This passive income is just not what you think it is. It takes a lot of hard work to set up these things. It's nowhere close to a get rich quick scheme. It takes a lot of time. I've been working from the last 7, 8, 9 months every single day, and that is how I'm able to reach at a point at which I will get $4 every single day from my YouTube channel. If I stop putting in the effort on this YouTube channel, everything collapses. Okay, so yeah, that's what I want you to understand. If you meet another person who says that you will not have to work a lot, it will be very simple, life is simple, just tell him to mind his own business. Okay, focus on your work. A 9 to 5 is not a bad thing. You are working. Okay, so just don't get misguided by these people. Have your own brain, use your brain properly, and just take wise decisions. Okay, that's what I would say to you. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video. Also follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily. And yeah, thank you so much. Stay aware, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.